Okay, good day mga solar. So tingnan natin yung mga benefits ng on-grid, pros and cons. So tingnan natin. Okay, daytime use, savings. If harvest of solar panel is not enough, utility will provide. Synchronize with utility power. No limitation of load, no overloading tayo. Keep a solar setup, simple design. And best for commercial operation during daytime. And capable in export by applying for net metering. So downside nya, no production when grid is down. If brownout, wala siyang harvest. So immediately gets power to utility when suddenly harvest goes down. You cannot add battery storage unless you buy AC coupling machine. So main components of on-grid setup: solar panel, string inverter, or you can use micro inverter. So wiring na tayo ng on-grid setup. Napakadali lang, simple. So from solar panel, lagyan natin ng DC protection breakers. So positive, negative, connected to DC SPD. Then papunta sa inverter. Okay, then from inverter, lagyan natin ng AC breaker papunta sa ating main panel board. So lagyan natin ng grounding. So using micro inverter, so mas madali ito. Ang panel sa taas, connected sa microinverter natin, then pababa na siya sa main panel natin. So microinverter, nakalagay ito sa likod ng ating solar panel. So nakatipid tayo ng DC cable, yung AC wire na lang yung pababa sa grid. So built-in RSD, built-in optimizer, individual performance monitoring. You can add gateway for parallel connection. So yan, mas madali yan. Okay mga solar, so yan yung ating on-grid setup. So susunod nating video is about hybrid, off-grid. So standby kayo sa ating videos. Thank you.